Welcome everyone. So today we are going to discuss about our last topic, which is plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate. So plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate, they are considered to be fourth and fifth state of matter. As we have discussed already about three states of matter which are considered to be the main states of matter. They are solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. But later on two more states of matter they are discovered, which are plasma state and Bose-Einstein condensate. So today we are going to discuss about in detail about the plasma state of matter. So here it is given that the state consists of super energetic and super excited particles. These particles are in the form of ionized gases. The fluorescent tube and neon sign bulbs consist of plasma. Inside a neon sign bulb there is neon gas, and inside a fluorescent tube there is helium gas or some other gas. The gas gets ionized, that is, gets charged when electrical energy flows through it. This charging up creates a plasma glowing inside the tube or bulb. The plasma glows with a special color depending on the nature of gas. The sun and the stars glow because of the presence of plasma in them. The plasma is created in stars because of very high temperature. So here it is given about the plasma. So the first thing is that the state consists of super energetic and super excited particles. As if you remember that we discussed about the particles in case of solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. Generally when we are saying or when we are denoting particles, it generally means atoms or molecules. In this case of plasma, the particles they are super energetic and super excited. That means they are having very high energy. Now these particles are in the form of ionized gases. That means in case of plasma, the particles they are neither atom nor molecules, but they are ions. If you remember ions, or if you have studied about ions, then what are ions? Ions are said to be charged particles. That means any particle when they carry charge, they are said to be ions. So in this case of plasma, the particles are ions. And how these ions are created? These ions are actually when the gases they become charged, then they are said to be ionized gases. So these are the particles, and ions or these ionized gases, they are having very high energy and they are super excited in nature. The fluorescent tube and neon sign bulbs consist of plasma. So if you remember, or if you have seen actually, that there are different bulbs which are generally small in size and having different colors, which is generally used for decoration during any festival, during any special occasion, having different colors like that of red, green, blue. And nowadays fluorescent tubes also you can see having different colors. So inside these bulbs, inside these fluorescent tubes, the state which is created, that state is plasma. So here that is what it is given. The fluorescent tube and neon sign bulbs consist of plasma. Inside a neon sign bulb there is neon gas, and inside a fluorescent tube there is helium gas or some other gas. So from the name only you can understand that if it is said to be neon sign bulb, the neon is a gas, and inside that bulb it is filled with neon. So as neon is present inside that bulb, that is why it is said to be neon sign bulb. Whereas generally in fluorescent tube we are using helium. There are different gases also, like sometimes argon is also filled, but the most commonly gases which are used to fill these bulbs and fluorescent tubes are neon and helium. The other gas gets the gas gets ionized, that is gets charged when electrical energy flows through it. Now this is the condition when that gas gets charged or when that gas gets ionized. It gets ionized when electrical energy flows through bulb or flows through fluorescent tube. Then the gas which is filled in that, it becomes charged and it is said to be ionized. This charging up creates a plasma glowing inside the tube or bulb. So when what happens, now bulb or fluorescent tube, it is filled with gas. Generally neon gas is filled in that neon sign bulb, and fluorescent tube it is filled with helium. So when electrical energy is passed through it, when it is flowing through it, then they are making these gases charged. That means because of the passing of electrical energy, gases they become ionized. So inside bulb or inside that fluorescent tube, when electrical energy is flowing, so the state which is created, that state is said to be plasma. So this charging up creates a plasma glowing inside the tube or bulb. The plasma glows with a special color depending on the nature of the gas. So as I have told you, and you must have seen also, like there are tiny and very small bulbs and having different colors. That means they are glowing with different colors. Generally, it is red, blue, and green. So how they are having different colors? These different colors, it is because, or it depends on the nature of the gas with which that bulbs are filled with. So different gases, they are glowing with different colors when the plasma state is created, and that is the reason we can see that different bulbs, they are glowing with different colors. The plasma glows with a special color depending on the nature of gas. Now, as we know that sun and stars, they are also glowing, and they are glowing so much in a bright manner that we are able to see them, we are able to observe them from a very far distance. It is because they are glowing very brightly. So the sun and the stars glow because of the presence of plasma in them. So what is the reason that sun and stars, they glow? It is because of the state of plasma it is present in them. The plasma is created in stars because of very high temperature, and we know that in stars the temperature is very high, and that is the reason plasma state is created. And because of the presence of plasma state in stars, we that those stars, they are glowing very brightly, and that is the reason we are also able to see them, able to see them or observe them from a very far distance. So what are the conditions we have discussed? That means in sun and in stars, the plasma state is created because of very high temperature, and in case of a fluorescent tube and a neon sign bulb, the plasma state is created because of the passing of electrical energy. So these are the conditions which is required to make the gases ionized, and once the gases, they become ionized, they starts glowing. And we have seen that different bulbs, they glow with different colors. The reason is because these colors, they depend on the nature of different gases. So if different gases having different nature, and that is why we are able to see different colors which is with which the bulb is glowing. So this is about plasma. You don't have to study so much in detail, only this much is given, and this much is more than enough. And as you can see that this is not the part of the main chapter, but still you need to study them. It is because every year you will find one or two questions it is asked on the basis of this plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate. So this is about plasma and Bose-Einstein sorry, this is about plasma, and tomorrow we are going to discuss about Bose-Einstein condensate, which is the fifth state of matter. Thank you.